Students, so one of my students was asking me that how do you remember this goal staging and how do you remember these FEV1 values to classify COPD as per the goal staging. So I have got a very easy mnemonic for you people, that is gold itself. So gold has four letters, GOLD. So four classes it has, 1 2 3 4. So first thing is very simple, easy. Now you all have to remember that FEV1 by FVC values less than 0.7 means COPD irrespective of the stage. So if you see FEV1 by FVC less than 0.7, FEV1 by FVC 0.7, FEV1 by FVC less than 0.7, and again FEV1 by FVC less than 0.7 is same for each of the stage of gold staging of COPD. Now what you have to remember? You have to remember the classification as per the severity of the gold staging, that is mild, moderate, severe and very severe. So what levels or what values of FEV1 would fit in the mild stage of COPD? What values of FEV1 will fit in the moderate severity of COPD, and similarly like that. So again an easy mnemonic, you just had to add this 1 to the 7, that becomes 1 plus 7 means 8. So FEV1 greater than 80% of the predicted becomes mild. And come to the fourth class now, 4 here. You have to subtract this 4 from the 7. 7 minus 4 means 3. So FEV1 less than 30% means very severe. So simple. We have 4 stages of gold staging of COPD: mild, moderate, severe and very severe. And how do you remember? You have to go for addition in the first stage and subtraction in the fourth stage. Again, if you again get confused whether to go for subtraction in the first stage or addition in first stage, you can remember that A comes before S. So A means addition in the first stage, S is after A, that is subtraction in the later stage. Now as per this mnemonic, I am going to show you some question that you will be able to answer. This is the question. So a patient presents to the OPD with shortness of breath. He reports walking slower than his peers due to breathlessness, and he has 2 hospitalization for similar complaints. FEV1 by FVC less than 0.55 and FEV1 55%. So it becomes very easy for you because it is not more than 80%, that means it's not stage 1, and it is not less than 30%, that means it's not stage 4. So it may be a stage 2 or stage 3, that means it may be a moderate or a severe stage. But you remember that we have discussed this mild, moderate, severe and very severe. Mild less than 80%, severe less than 30%, and in between is 30 to 50 and 50 to 80. So it is between 50 to 80, that means it is a moderate stage, so it is a moderate COPD. But one more question will come to your mind, that we have 2 options with moderate COPD, option A and option B. What to choose? What is this group C and group B? For this, again, very easy thing to remember, that as per the gold staging of COPD, the gold classification has divided COPD into only 3 groups: group A, group B and group E. There is no concept of group C. So that means option A is the dummy option and the option B becomes the correct answer of the question. Thank you. I hope this helps.